I'm going to show you how to install the Yi framework on a Mac. I'm using MAMP as well, so I'm going to put the extracted contents of the zip file into my MAMP htdocs folder. When we first get the folder, it's going to have a crazy name, and I'm just going to rename it to Yi for simplicity. There we go. Copy the file. Where's the name? Okay, so within the Yi contents, we have the framework, we have the requirements folder, and a demos folder. So the first thing we need to do is check to see if we met the minimum requirements, and we do that by pointing URL in the browser to the requirements folder, and it should take us to the index.php. Here we go. We can see that we passed the minimum requirements, and it gave us a warning for Oracle and Microsoft SQL. And that's okay because I'm not going to use those databases. You can point your browser to the demos folder. Hello world, it's a simple project there. Hangman, phone book. And the blog. We'll see in the blog the standard web template that Yi provides. It's a pretty nice template. It's a pretty nice demo. Okay. Now the next thing we need to do is run the terminal and make a folder for ourselves so that we can work on a project, a web project. And we do that, the framework provides a nice little executable file called yik. It's right here. And we'll see we can't actually run yik because it is an executable file, but we can run it through the terminal. First, we need to know really how, what command lines do we use. In this line, there's yi root /framework /yik. Web app is the line that we want to use. Now, yi root would be my application /mamp /htdocs /yi. That's where the framework is located. And we want to say web app because we want to make a folder, and we need to write where we want to place our new project, and we want to place it within the Yi folder. So I'll type in applications /mamp htdocs /yi, and we're going to call my project RSS feeder. And it's going to ask you if you really want to make a new web application. Just say yes, and it'll create everything that you need on that spot. And so the terminal is a great thing to use. This is how you use it, and this is how you install Yi. This is how you make a new project. And that's it.